what you have scanned the documents with the eye of Sherlock Holmes. There is a gap between এই সভা মনে করে তার ডাক্তারবাবুর পরামর্শের সঙ্গে তার নিজের লেখা চিঠির মধ্যে যথেষ্ট ফারাক রয়েছে। হোয়াট ইজ দ্য ফারাক?
যে গত 19 জুন 2017 থেকে তিনি বিভিন্ন রোগে আক্রান্ত, অথচ পূর্বে বিদ্যালয়ে জমা করা বিভিন্ন আবেদনপত্রে দেখা যায় তিনি বহু পূর্ব থেকেই বিভিন্ন রোগে আক্রান্ত। তার সকল 365 দিনের মেডিকেল লিভ ও 60 দিনের হাফ অ্যাভারেজ পে লিভ শেষ হয়ে গেছে বহু পূর্বেই। এনক্লোজার 83-তে দেখা যায় 23 ফেব্রুয়ারি 2019-এ মাননীয় ডক্টর DK পাহাড়ি কলকাতা মেডিকেল সুপার স্পেশালিটি হসপিটাল সার্টিফাই করেছেন যে AK ঘোষ এ ডায়ালিসিস চলছে গ্লোবাল হসপিটাল বোলপুরে, কিন্তু উক্ত গ্লোবাল হসপিটালে তার উল্লিখিত সময়ের 23 ফেব্রুয়ারি 2019 থেকে 21 মে 2019 এ ডায়ালিসিস করার কোনো রোগের আবেদনপত্র নেই। Now, the patient has been treated in Bolpur. The certificate has been issued from Medica, Kolkata.
The dates are not tallying, Manoj. For that, in the resolution, the school is.
President of the board directed the school authority to adapt the regulation with a prescription or to forward the petition.
No, this resolution was adopted last occasion.
That was submitted before by Mr. Bhattacharya.
The resolution is.
But in terms of your lordship's order, but Mr. Bari's client has gone to the school and submitted the medical documents. We have verified the medical documents, and in terms of my lord's order, and we found something, some wrong, some incorrect documents are there. We have mentioned it in a resolution and we have sent it to the board.
No, the board, kindly.
I just want to.
Wait.
Well,
What is the board finding? This is board.
Kindly come to the last page of the resolution, Manoj.
Wait.
The last para, it is clearly mentioned.
এটা রাখো, এটা আমি একটু দেখছি।
হ্যাঁ, প্রেসিডেন্টের নাম কি গো? ভদ্রলোক প্রেসিডেন্ট
রামানুজ গাঙ্গুলি
খুব ভদ্রলোক,
ভীষণ
হ্যাঁ খুব ভদ্রলোক, সাংঘাতিক। না অঞ্জনী,
আমি গেছিলাম হিয়ারিং, খুব ভালো।
So if you cannot unable to take any resolution of leave of, this is 540 days total. Problem is 540 days leave. So if you are not in a position to grant him medical leave with full pay, you can suggest that you take the leave without pay for 540 days.
But this has come in terms of your lordship's order. Your lordship directed Mr. Bari's client to go to the school.
No, submit medical documents and take appropriate resolution.
Yes.
I have never said that you will grant him the leave without pay, or with pay or without pay.
Yes.
So you are saying we are unable to grant him leave with pay. So the alternative may be subject to what you say.
Suggestion was the board president. Board president was sympathetic. He directed the school authority to go through the medical prescriptions and you.
No. If supposing they are not in a, Mr. Bari, leave without pay, that you can do.
Yes.
No matter that.
Leave without pay.
Have you suggested so?
Yes. We have suggested.
Of the board suggested you grant leave with pay after verifying the medical documents. We have the medical documents, everything is there. May I suggest one thing? It will never be subject to your lordship can tell me. I have also told Mr. Bhattacharya also. Let all the prescription be placed before the president. And president is very kind-hearted, very mellow.
No. Wait. The president.
Let the president decide it without ignoring the decision of the. Let him check now.
The president under the rules is authorized to go through the veracity of the medical document and take a decision on.
No.
No, medical.
It is the school, who will suggest the course.
Not cooperative, Manoj. They can only, the sanction for the.
If the school did not cooperate,
The question of does not cooperate.
Now the point has come down to a situation, leave with pay or without pay.
Without pay.
Suggest this.
Exactly,
what is that resolution?
Exactly, that has been forwarded.
Let them take it. Then this resolution which just tell me what is that resolution.
I tell your lordship.
Let me see the resolution.
She have got each and every medical prescription.
If the dates are not telling, if the doctor's certificates dates are not telling,
Then if it is suggested, then board president in a position to go through the finding that resolution is
Absolutely.
correct or incorrect.
absolutely.
Before approval means he can go into the question that whether approval
Yes,
he can give
But
it
he is
or
the supreme authority.
Your lordship, forward the matter, delegate the matter to the board.
where is that
We are placing.
resolution?
we
Where
have-
is
we have
your-
submitted-
Where is your resolution?
But just now, Mrs. Bandopadhyay has handed over to your lordship.
Place me before the relevant portion.
Last para, last para.
Two
last-
pages, last two pages,
last para, মাননীয় প্রাক্তন, may I read?
Yes, no.
last two pages. Hmm.
আসতে দাও, টাকা দিন না।
আরে ডাক্তারের সার্টিফিকেটের ডেট মিলছে না।
তো সবজি প্রেসিডেন্টকে চেক করতে পারো না, তাহলে তো হয়ে গেল। তুমি যখন যে প্রেসিডেন্ট এটা ঠিক না, মানে আমি যাই মানে ক্লায়েন্ট যায়। স্কুলে আপনি ইনভিউমেন্ট হয় দেখছে, চারটে ডায়ালিসিস চলছে সাথে।
There is an allegation of interpolation in the medical cert document.
Yes,
We have the original medical document.
yes.
Let it-
Can you show me enclosure 72 once? What was the enclosure
I
72?
don't have the copy,
What was the enclosure 72?
but I have the resolution.
That difficulty is 72, 49 and 43.
Yes.
There is allegation of interpolation in the dates of those three documents. What are these three documents?
But your lordship, kindly have a look to the second page.
Second page.
Yes. Clause number 2. I not got it. This is clause number 2. উক্ত আবেদন পত্রে তিনি লিখেছেন গত
Mr. Bhattacharya,
yes.
I don't know these three documents. What you have scanned the documents
Hmm.
with the eye of Sherlock Holmes. There is a gap between এই সভা মনে করে তার ডাক্তারবাবুর পরামর্শের সঙ্গে তার নিজের লেখা চিঠির মধ্যে যথেষ্ট ফারাক রয়েছে। What is the ফারাক?
But let
Explain
me,
what is the
let,
farak?
but your lordship, kindly have a look to clause 2.
Of the resolution.
Yes, clause 2, page 2. উক্ত আবেদন পত্রে তিনি লিখেছেন, got it?
Hmm.
Yes. যে গত 19 জুন 2017 থেকে তিনি বিভিন্ন রোগে আক্রান্ত, অথচ পূর্বে বিদ্যালয়ে জমা করা বিভিন্ন আবেদনপত্রে দেখা যায় তিনি বহু পূর্ব থেকেই বিভিন্ন রোগে আক্রান্ত। তার সকল 365 দিনের মেডিকেল লিভ ও 60 দিনের হাফ অ্যাভারেজ পে লিভ শেষ হয়ে গেছে বহু পূর্বেই, এবং তার 8ই ডিসেম্বর 2010 থেকে উইদাউট পে লিভ শুরু হয় তার মারাত্মক অসুস্থতার কারণে। মাননীয় প্রেসিডেন্ট সোয়ানসো মহাশয় মেমো নাম্বার সোয়ানসো মারফত 3/12/2010 থেকে 31/7/2019 অব্দি মোট 1236 দিন এক্সট্রাঅর্ডিনারি লিভ অন উইদাউট পে হিসাবে মঞ্জুর করেন। সো মানে বোর্ড হ্যাজ অ্যাকসেপ্টেড উইদাউট পে। দেন
That is, this 1200 days leave is inclusive of this for 530 or exclusion of the exclusion.
ইনক্লুসিভ
So it's already sanctioned without pay.
without pay. Now your lordship can have a look to clause 3. ম্যানেজমেন্ট রুলস এর লিভ রুল অনুযায়ী সংশ্লিষ্ট চিকিৎসকের কাছ থেকে মেডিকেল সার্টিফিকেট দরকার, কিন্তু 21শে মার্চ 2023 তারিখে একে ঘোষের জমা করা 98টি শীট সম্বলিত আবেদনপত্রে বেশ কিছু প্রয়োজনীয় মেডিকেল সার্টিফিকেট নেই। উদাহরণস্বরূপ এনক্লোজার 83-তে দেখা যায় 23শে ফেব্রুয়ারি 2019-এ মাননীয় ডক্টর DK পাহাড়ি কলকাতা মেডিকেল সুপার স্পেশালিটি হসপিটাল সার্টিফাই করেছেন যে একে ঘোষ এ ডায়ালিসিস চলছে গ্লোবাল হসপিটাল বোলপুরে, কিন্তু উক্ত গ্লোবাল হসপিটালে তার উল্লিখিত সময়ের 23শে ফেব্রুয়ারি 2019 থেকে 21শে মে 2019 এ ডায়ালিসিস করার কোনো রোগের আবেদনপত্র নেই। Now, the patient has been treated in Bolpur. The certificate has been issued from Medica. Kolkata. 2 different hospitals, 2 different doctors. But we have to answer to the, maybe I'm the headmaster, but kindly see the, kindly see clause 4.
But the president granted leave, if the lordship kindly have a note to the president. I, the president, therefore, please to dispose of the matter by directing the petitioner to submit the letter.
Which one you are reading?
The president's order of the president in terms of your lordship's direction.
No, 5 points are there.
No,
The
no,
first,
that 5 points before that. Before that, if your lordship kindly, in terms of the order passed by the court, president disposed of the matter. What is the observation of the
where is
president?
that?
Marana.
Acha to, no, no.
Oh, Marana.
Your lordship kindly have it. Bottom portion.
Is this, your order is coming from the,
That is supplied to the, by the board to the.
you should place it before me.
Your lordship
Eh,
kindly.
8th of August. 8th of August. 8th.
Last portion, your lordship kindly have a look. Last portions. 540 days has been granted, requested the school authority to approve the same.
Sir Bhattacharya,
Yes.
yes, the board, president of the board is cannot consider possibly subject to prima facie directly, but the medical documents, the faults you have pointed out, it is hard reality he is in almost deathbed.
True.
Now 540 days leave, actually 1,200 odd days leave has already been sanctioned without pay. What he is praying that out of this 1,200, 540 days leave may be granted to her.
To him.
With pay.
With pay.
The board has given him after the resolution. This order was passed after the resolution.
Yes.
That submit all papers, documents, and you should consider his prayer. Now, in the order, the resolution which was forwarded to the board has not gone into that, the correctness of your resolution. Instead, has given an opportunity to the petitioner to submit an application with all documents. You have pointed out that these are the anomalies to your headmaster, your colleague in deathbed. You should suggest, instead of taking this kind of resolution, if you are really have any intention, so you should ask him, look here, these are the irregularities we
His
cannot.
daughter is here, what in medical, Dr. Pahadi, he is on the treatment of Dr. Pahadi. He has suggested 4 days he need not come. It will be
From Bolpur to here,
From Bolpur
you
to
take-
Calcutta. I suggest you get dialysis in Bolpur.
Mr. Bhattacharya, take it sympathetically. Ask your members of the board
At all.
that all documents they should scan. If there is any lacking of the
Well, it will
documents,
be better if the president is directed to you.
if it is lacking anywhere, then you may suggest him that these are the lackings.
Let them go to the school tomorrow. We will sit together, dispose of the issue.
Take
Tomorrow.
one chance. Board is last option. Take because in their resolution they have found that some interpolation, something.
Nothing.
Let him explain, but with a view to grant it, not with a closed mind. Not with a closed mind.
Now, because of the live streaming, my client is seeing the discussion between the court
Yes,
and the.
not with a closed mind.
I've
Not
understood.
with a closed
I've
mind.
understood.
After all, he is in deathbed. You see, if it is not totally manufactured, if it is not there that he is not ill, he is seriously in the deathbed. So if you can, no, if it comes in your way, absolutely no document, nothing, then the question is otherwise. There are some documents which is not matching with the dates he is giving.
I've understood. Let them go to tomorrow to the school. আপনারা একবার কালকে স্কুলে যান, আমি দেখছি।
রোজ যাচ্ছে না একটা মানুষ
না কালকে যাক, আমি দেখছি।